Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Nissan Juke Throttle body. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. Gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a socket set, and a specialized throttle body cleaner. Having a clean cloth ready will also be very helpful for the cleaning process. Now, let's access the throttle body. Begin by carefully removing the air intake hose and the air filter housing. This will give you clear access to the component. Next, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the throttle body. Finally, use a suitable socket to unbolt the throttle body from the intake manifold, setting it aside carefully. With the throttle body removed, it's time to clean. Liberally spray the throttle body cleaner onto all internal surfaces, allowing it to soak for a few moments. Use a soft brush or a clean cloth to gently scrub away any carbon deposits. Pay close attention to the throttle plate and its edges, as these areas often accumulate the most grime for optimal performance. Once clean, reassemble everything in reverse order. Carefully reinstall the throttle body, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification, and reconnect all electrical connectors. Securely reattach the air intake system components. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. After starting the engine, you might need to perform an idle relearn procedure for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.